Ryan Schulze with Oregon Outdoor Lighting. We are back again. We're gonna show you how we really made this home look wow. And just gotta give props to my man Jeff in the back here. He doesn't, we don't get to see his face much, but man, what he does, he makes me look good. But besides the fact, we're talking about this home today. So you're gonna see before and after shot, and that's gonna really make this statement at the beginning right now. So we're gonna go before, then we're gonna go after. How's that look? Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through the sections, what we did to really make this look awesome. So here we go. On the far left side of the home, I want to stretch out the home as much as I could. So we went, obviously the far left, they have, the little like dining room area section. So we lit that, and then you come into the chimney. Chimney obviously has some height, gotta show it. So we put the light in the gutter to hit the top level of the chimney. So that doesn't get missed. And then you come into the front of the home, lit the home up from the, ground up. Gotta show the pillars, because that's, a feature as well. And then those third level dormers, that get missed traditionally. And people don't do it. So we're not like everybody else, we do that. So it helps get those other peaks lit as well. This gets missed. This gets missed constantly from people that light homes. I'm gonna say it's an amateur status, and we're not amateur, so this is the difference we do. Is lighting the garage and lighting the major peaks. So here we did the well lights again. We did a flush. We went on each side of the garage doors, and then this is here's your kicker, right? You need it. You gotta come with me. If we did not light this section right here, this is a dark hole on the photos. So we did the well lights flush, obviously, in between the two garage doors. And then to highlight that peak, we did our wall washer in the gutter. So now that dominant peak is lit, and then it matches the rest of the home all the way across. Plans for the day is don't be an amateur, make sure you're lighting the garage all the way across with the home. When you're coming up the home, on the drive, the pool's to the left. I wanted to help stretch this area instead of just being a dark hole when you come in, to the home. We used a wall washer, and we brought out the bottom section by the stairs and the top section behind the retaining wall along the arborvitae section to really help stretch out that area, give it a glow. But as a cool feature, when you come into the home, you get to see, the accents around your pool. Thank you for joining me today in doing before and after of seeing this home. So until next time.